Hello and welcome to the third lecture of the English Grammar course for beginners. This is teacher Ahlam and this lecture is about nouns. Nouns are words used to name people, places, things, pets, objects, concepts, or ideas. Anything we can touch, see, smell, taste, listen to, and hold can be described as nouns. In this lecture, we will get to know the kinds of nouns. Kinds of nouns. First, proper nouns. A proper noun is a type of noun that refers to a specific, unique person or thing, name of a person, place, country, or landscape. Examples: cow, Facebook, Robert, Oreo, Grammar, Empire State, Philips, Canon, Audi, Buttons, Tokyo, Black, Tesla, and Asia. Second kind of nouns, the common nouns. Common nouns refer to a type of person or thing or an abstract concept. Examples about common nouns: people, mother, teacher, woman. Animals: lion, tiger, bear, dog, cat. Things: table, track, book, pencil. Places: city, country, restaurant. Ideas: envy, love, hate, and respect. The third type of nouns, countable nouns. A countable noun is a person or thing that can be counted and divided into individuals. Therefore, it has a plural form. Examples about this kind of nouns: apple, apples. So, apple is the singular and apples is the plural. Orange, oranges. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. House, houses. Kitchen, kitchens, etc. The fourth one, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are words that cannot be counted. Examples: music, art, love, happiness, advice, information, news, furniture, luggage, rice, sugar, butter, water, electricity, gas, and power. The fifth kind is collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that refer to a group of people or things are called collective nouns. Examples: a herd of cows, a gang of robbers, a band of musicians, a kind of kittens. So these were kinds of nouns with examples. This is the end of this lecture. See you in the next one.